The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Drive in here, pick a spot, come over here, get an envelope, fill it out, put it in the spot you want to stay. These are all the occupied spots. And then put it in the box with your money or credit card. Camping rules. Here's the boardwalk. Next to the boardwalk are showers, cold showers. There's like 4 on this side and a couple on the other side. And there's bathroom, another building for bathroom. Bathroom's over there. Yeah, it's nice here. And there's trash up there, trash bin. It's really nice here. The only thing is, if you don't have good internet, booster or something like that, you're not going to get really any internet. This is our beach right here. And if you go right up here through this path, it's basically our back door. We're right there, right on the end. You can drive on the beach, but we were going to camp on the beach, but why take the chance? Nobody else is. And we got this nice place right here for $7 a night because we're seniors, so we get half price. Or we can go on the other side of the island facing the mainland, and that is half price. That's $4 a night. But we're going to try this for one night. Then the other 2 nights, I don't know what we're going to do. If we're going to stay here or go on the other side. The other side, of course, there's no waves. It's calmer. There's a beach. And we'll see. It's just a little bit more crowded on the other side, I think, as far as parking goes. So I've got the solar out. Battery pack did not need charging, but I plugged in the T-Mobile, which for the first time ever is not working. There's not really good internet out here at all. So this is why you got to be careful in Texas. Oh, even Arizona. You get these prickers. Even your dogs, you need to watch it. Doesn't matter if you got Crocs on or tennis shoes. It still sticks to tennis shoes too. Unless you got cowboy boots. That'd be a good reason to buy and use cowboy boots. You having fun, huh? You like the beach? No. Go. Beautiful morning. Taking a morning walk down to the beach. Come down to the main beach area. We're not gonna go up there. We're gonna just go right straight down to the beach. You want a shower?
Rinsing jellyfish steam with fresh water increases the heat.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're supposed to pee on it, right? That's cool. Yeah, visitor center and store. Bathrooms and showers over there. I bet they're hot too. You got wheelchairs for the beach here. That's pretty cool. That's real cool. So the bathrooms have, let's see where the showers are. Not in here. Maybe in here. Ah, yes. Have a lookout. We're gonna go up on top and see what it looks like up from up there. Nice. I think they should get the shovel out. Start shoveling this. It's pretty deep. It's almost a foot deep. Look at that sand dune. Wind blown. Come on. buried pretty good. We got picnic tables up here. Can enjoy the day if it's not too windy. As you can see, it's not too full. Maybe a quarter full, not even a half. Because you got the whole other side there that you can park. Getting the bathroom showers. The winds are pretty bad today. I think we may leave a day early. Tomorrow, just go tomorrow and go over to the Walmart in town. The beach is just a little too windy, as you can tell. So the sun's just setting. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We were gonna stay another day. We already paid $7 for that day, but that's okay. We'll just be out. It's not worth not having internet and not being able to be on the beach a whole lot because it's so darn windy. So we may do that. It reminds me of the snow. Look at that. Drift. Look at it drift in there. Just like snow. I can't even walk without it blowing. So we came to a harvest toast. It's too windy on the beach. It's windy here too, but at least we have internet, so we can do some things on our phones to keep us entertained. Anyways, we're at the harvest host here outside of town, and the cows are coming around the lake. We're on this lake. These owners here let us stay here. We are on this lake. The cows were across the way, but now they have come around the lake and they are at our doorstep. Hi there. Nice to meet you.